Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the audio in your VLC Media Player is not working. So let's go quick into it. So you have to open your VLC Media Player. Now I have this VLC Media Player, and while you are playing a video in VLC Media Player, the audio is not working. So let's go quick on how we can fix this. So let's start with the basic one. Now click on audio and make sure this is not muted. So as you can see, this is muted in my case. So simply click on that to unmute it. You can also find it from here if it is muted on the bottom right corner. So if this is muted, simply click on the audio icon to unmute it. Second thing is you need to click on the audio again, and then here you will find audio device. Make sure that you choose the right speaker or the right audio device for this. So you can simply try one by one from here as to where your video will have an audio. Okay, simply try. Okay, for the next thing is, or for the next solution is, we need to simply click on this tools tab and then click on preferences, and here we have to click on audio. And once that, you have to make sure enable audio is selected from here. The button for enable audio is selected. And then if you are not sure as to what changes you have made for these settings, you can just simply click on this option, reset preferences. Click on OK and try on playing your video. And then you can simply go back to tools, click on preferences, click on audio. Make sure output module that is automatic, the same as this what you can see on the screen, and then you just need to click on save. Close this. And for the next method is we have to simply click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now once the settings window is open, then we just have to simply click on system, click on sound, scroll down to the bottom and you will find more sound settings. Click on that. And here for your playback, make sure that your speaker is set as the default. So if this is not set as the default, you just have to click on your speaker and you will find this button set default. Now once done, click on properties, then click on the levels. Make sure that this is not selected to the bottom. You can simply change this to the maximum or the desired volume that you want and click on OK. Go back to properties, click on the advanced, enable audio enhancements. If this is checked or if this is enabled and you still face the issue, then you can simply uncheck it. But if this is unchecked and you face the issue, you can simply check it and click on apply and click on OK. And then click on OK and then close this. One more thing is we need to also make sure that our VLC Media Player is updated. So open VLC, click on it. Then we just need to simply click on this help button and click on check for updates. So this will update your VLC Media Player and click on you have the latest version of VLC Media Player. Now let me close this. And after that, you just need to play your video again. And the audio will be playing this time, or the audio issues will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.